Guys, we're at Wekfest 2022 at the Seattle Convention Center, downtown Seattle. And there's lots of cool cars to look at. Let's walk around, let's check out what's gonna be here. Just to give you guys a perspective of how cool this place is, it's like, we're like 4 or 5 stories up in the heart of downtown Seattle. You've got the Cheesecake Factory right there. You've got Regal Cinema and GameWorks over there. So yeah, pretty cool place. Let's check it out. So there's some cool exotics over here. Garage Saurus. This is Mark Wang Garage. I believe this is his Ferrari over here. Look how massive that V12 is in there. That thing is sick looking. It's got the air intakes that come in here to the throttle bodies. The window here, which slides open and close. The interior, all stripped, just a single racing seat. Pretty badass. Look at that stick shifter. H pattern. You got your rear intakes here for the engine. Big wing. Got some Advan wheels on there. I like this double lip spoiler with the second carbon underneath here. It's really cool. You got the rear lower carbon with air outlet here. Pretty cool. Look at the side skirt extensions, the body kit. The exhaust that comes out the side here is really cool. Big AP Racing brakes in there. Sick car. It's got some more Ferraris over here. I don't know anything about any of these models. They do look very nice. Let's do a quick walk around. We'll work our way in. I want to try to get around before the general public comes in here in about 20 minutes and shoot some video. We got a McLaren 765. Got a really nice cookie or however you say it, cookie S14 over here. This guy is, I think I've seen this one before, Night Owl S14. It's got the EQ35 in there running a turbo kit. Thing looks sick in person. Nice clean front mount under there. Very clean car, nice looking stance. 4 piston brakes up front, SSR wheels. APR performance spoiler. Very nice looking Porsche. Red NSX. I think we saw this one last week at the show, if I'm correct. Really like this yellow Civic hatchback. My very first car was a Civic DX hatchback just like this, 1992. Nice engine swap they did. Little mirrors, these are cool. Trick down interior, I'll set up with the roll cage. Nice bride or bridge seats, however you pronounce it. I love the dash on this car. Got these cute little spoon brakes down here. Those are awesome. All right guys, that was just the entrance. Let's check out the inside of the show here. So it looks like it's a pretty nice venue of cars on display. It's not too big, so it should be pretty easy to walk around. Let's go check some stuff out. So guys, I was hired by Andrew from Stateside Garage to shoot video here for him, for his business. So I'm gonna make a video for him, as well as shoot video for my channel. His video is gonna be just B-roll if you guys wanna check it out. Stateside Garage. So Peter brought his car back. This is his R32 GTS. It's got some GTR stuff on it, but it's not a GTR. So guys, there's really only one place I could start at this show, and that's over where the GTR section is. So we got R32 GTRs, R34 GTRs. Let's take a quick look at these cars. I'm sure I've probably seen these before. Well guys, that's gonna wrap up today's video. As you guys can see right here, that's 8 minutes that I've edited. I have over an hour of content that I shot here from Wekfest. I pronounce it wrong, it's not Wekfest, it's Wekfest. So if you guys like that type of content, make sure you guys subscribe, turn on the notifications, that way you guys will see the new videos when I drop them. And I wanna say thank you to Andrew from Stateside Garage for the invite. Without you, I wouldn't have made it to the show. If you guys need any authentic JDM merch or rare stuff from Japan, go check out Andrew's website. I'll put a link in the description down below. If you like this content, smash the thumbs up button. Leave me some comments down below. Let me know what was your favorite car at the event. And I'll see you guys on the next video. Thank you so much for watching. Have a good one.